Conduit here, and I just want to say regarding all of the recent UAP activity, you know, the drones and all the kind of weird stuff going on lately, I just want to say, oh, my bad. Sorry about that. And I guess really the only other thing I have to say about it is, silly little birds, all in their nest, wondering what's going to happen next.
Hey, what's up everybody? Still Connors here, still lost in the game zone, and boy, what kind of mess have I gotten myself into? It's all like lizard crazy around here. What is this, like the Precambrian? What is this, like the Mesozoic? I know what those words are. On the last transmission, I got my butt kicked by a bunch of infinitely regenerating dick-ass lizard-ass reptoids, or whatever these are, and it sucked. Now my health is dropping. Oh yeah, we got a key to a door last time. Now we want to get to that dangus door to see what's behind it. But I want to kill these guys too because they piss me off. Fuck you, dude. Come on, come. Alright, is that all? Any of you naughty lizard boys left? I guess that's it. Okay. Okay, I want to see what's behind that door. We've worked so many transmissions to find what's in the door. Not that door. I've already been through that door. I think. What is it behind that door? There was a gate early on when we first entered the lizard's lair that we couldn't get through. But what's behind here, though? Oh, this shit. No, fuck that. We already did that. Okay. Health for me? No. Okay. Here it is. It's here. Or it should be. Let's see if I can get full up on some healths. I've got the power. Whenever I get a health, it makes, sounds like, I've got the power. What's behind here, though? Oh, yeah, this is... Oh, no, fuck this. This is to a different exit out of the whole thing. Alright, we're full up on health, so I feel good about that. Alright, do I have to get on this shit to get to the gate? I think I do. Yeah, I do. Use an old street magician's trick. Damn it. Okay. There we go. Okay. No! Okay. Up. Okay. Nope. Maybe I gotta be on a lower one. Damn it. Maybe on this one. No, that one goes this way. No! I gotta get on that other one. This sucks. Okay, I think that's good. You guys suck. Why don't you eat a bomb? That's the door that we finally got a key for. And for you, I hope it's not a bore. And that I don't snore when I'm at your door. Okay. Finally, for the love of Pete Sampras. That's like a sports guy, right? Pete Sampras? Is that a thing? Okay. That's some fine herbs. Come on, go ahead, wake up. I know you're gonna be assholes. What? Oh, okay. That's weird. Some of them go bye-bye, some of them don't. This is very random. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Guess not. Oh, they want me to jump up there and then jump off to there. Somehow. How y'all want me to do that though, huh? What? What? But what though? What though? What though? What? Y'all, what do you want me to do? Y'all want to get bombed or what? I would think that one of these guys is supposed to wake up. Maybe they want me to shoot an arrow at it. And then I step on one of their little perches to jump up to one of these columns. But oh, here we go. Okay. All right, come on, bro. Bro, you're bumming me out. Okay. What a stupid, annoying puzzle. I mean, I'm gonna have a good attitude. I think it's a terrific puzzle. It's all about your attitude. Okay, here we go. All right. Uh-oh, it's Asshole City. What is this? I'm gonna throw some bombs from over here where y'all can't get me. Fuck you. pain. Hell yeah. You guys suck. Come get some bomb, bitch. Okay, it's this shit. We have to break them. But it's not breaking. What? Okay, we got it. God damn bastards. Okay, where are they spawning from now? It won't matter until we kill their spawner. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, we got their spawner. Get bombed, assholes. Why didn't that kill him? What the fuck? Alright. Jeez, what a slog this has been. A lizard slog. A lizard's log. A log a lizard likes to climb on. Ooh, that was nice. Hope I can do that for all of them. So I can only kill it when it's glowy. Okay, go glowy now. I guess that was all the glowy ones? I don't know. Alright. Are they gonna make me come back and kill them again because I didn't do it fast enough? Probably. Okay, let's try it again. Alright, got him. Ooh, that's a fill-up point. Nice. Get some health and get some magic. Yeah, sweat. We don't need that. We're already full up. And then that's like a portal. We got a portal. We got 2 doorways. Do these do anything? No. Okay. Let's see what this doorway on the left is first. Oh, that's where I came from, I guess. Okay, this is where I came from. So we have this and a doorway. Let's see what this doorway do. We got some dungles here. Assholes. Killing them means nothing. We have to kill this first. Okay. And bombs. Kameha. Fun. Oh, I love that. I love this. I love getting shot. A lot of fun. You're supposed to let me up there, bro. Some bombs for you. Oh shit. What's in here? Got some life. No, we're not doing that. Not wasting that. God damn it. Why is this so worthless? Damn it, this fucking bombs fucking suck. This is the shittiest of all shit arrows. As soon as I kill him, he's just gonna respawn. Alright. Spank your hind end until it's cherry red. Dude, give me some health, bro. Now let's try that again, and this time give me some damn health. Yeah, that's what Daddy likes. Now let's do it again so I can have some full health. Damn it. Fell for their oldest trick in the book. Oh, a tiny, poorly tied together little stick fence. That ought to keep me out. All right, this is the way to go to fill up, because it's just right there. Alright, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Quick nasty. Okay. Come on, just one more again. Just give me one more health again. Alright. Oh yeah, we're full up. Good, 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 good. Alright. Oh, this looks fun. Be nice if I had a shield. Now this is the Thermopylae Pass right here. Come on, fuckers. Come on, you know you want to. So it appears I have to set them off so I can get on top of their little blocky blocks. Or can I just jump onto their heads? No, I'm gonna... Now... So they can just hop up there, bastards. Wait, I can't hop up here. No way, that doesn't help me at all. God damn it. Go, no. Nope. I call foul. Nope. It was not written in the book of days. These fucking this whole fucking little temple is exhausting. It's just fucking tedious and no fucking thought went into it. It's just a fucking shit show. They're just like, we'll put 30 million guys for you to kill. That's a game, right? What? That killed no one? What a bunch of shit. Come on, come on, come on, come get some, come get some, come get some, assholes. I really need that. Whew, that was close. Okay, this is where they wanted me to get up at. That's it. Oh, that sucks. Whoa, I got a new life vessel. Fill it all up now. Fill it all up now, dickhead. Sweet, I'm up to 22. That's the best number. Hell yeah. Was that all this was for? The only other thing I didn't do was step on the transport thing. Oh, here we go. We got a new thing. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? Why didn't that kill him? Okay, what does that give me? Okay, I fucked up because I think I was supposed to jump from there to there and then onto the head of that, and now I can't. So that's bad news. I think we're gonna have to go back here again. This sucks. Alright, what we gotta do is get this guy off. Alright, and then we wanna jump to here. Into this. There. Now we gooch. Fuck you guys. What am I supposed to do here? Okay. Feel you, I feel you. Oh, great. Jesus. Jeez. Was that just a thing to screw me? I think it was. Cool. Alright, we're gonna make our way through this ding-dang lizard temple on the next transmission.
Cold charms, no arms to hold when the show's done. Dark dreams, torn seams, he's lost till the light's gone. Empty words, shadows heard in the haze of the nightfall. Pitch pain, no gain in the hunger's deep